Anne-Marie Frazier, that's on YouTube, for a long time she been itching. I'm a firm believer that everybody got to go one day. But if you feel like you're going to make me grieve or feel some type of way, I'm not. So when she started speaking in patois and say that, oh, I don't mean kill our mama, I don't mean kill our poopa. I'm 44 years old. I know what this is. She working like a op. And that's what she gonna get, is the op treatment. Anne-Marie, you've been out here for like 4 years or some change. Social media ain't did you a goddamn thing. It was a year that you done took off your clothes and all of these things, right? Loving on a man. You would have made your tongue a toilet paper for Ashanti. And you know it. And you sitting out here and you doing all that, then trying to bother me and trying to tell me what to do and what not to do. Well, I'm not in jail. Why did you provoke me? But I'll take it. On a too nasty. Nothing in your yard, nothing in your house. You're coming like one parking lot lizard. Everywhere you walk in a people yard. The same thing, the same exact thing where you do to everybody. And what you do back in the days. That's why I can tell you, say, oh, you meet me, I'm going to run you from my page. Troublemaker. All you do, you're not change. All you don't change some spot. That's why your face look like that. Yeah. And you are trying to bleach out your skin. Come on. Your face look like chest piece. Do it. Go get some food and put it in your house, girl. Go get some food and put it in your house. You don't have no food. That's what you said.
Because GT Bus.
Get off GT Bus Jack. He don't even want your ass on his jack. The man not ramp no game. Him in Jamaica. Why GT Bus don't want to play with you? It would not like you. Your face too long. You're there out here every day and I lie and I forget your background and exactly what you did. And almost you was the worst of trying to put on social media for a man that did not want you. Man reject you. Eh? The last time you tell me something, and every Jamaican speak the same language. The last time you tell me something, and the next thing me turn around and answer you, I jail my gone over there on Facebook. And this time go around is the same thing. And you make me go a level. I think you need to tone down and stay out the people business. There's a lot more people that's like me out here. I'm just a universal remote that talk real truth, that will save my life. And save my pocket. And I just roll a certain way. That's it. I don't tear down people organization just for something that has a switch that can just go right down. So I never cared about it. I know what friends do. I'm not a fresh meat to your behavior. I mean, you ain't got a room for shoes and clothes, no, just one room for all that. Look at you in this damn hat, baby. Anything that you put on your face, you just need to duck. You just need to tuck and hide. Because anything that you put on your face, baby, it makes it get longer and longer and longer. Like literally, y'all. What literally, y'all? Huh? Look at you. You look sad. You look robot. Wait till you come back up, girl. Wait till you come back up. Now look at you. Look at your chin. Your chin and your face is very long, ma'am. It make your neck look shorter. You sure you don't need to stop and stop bullying people? What? Okay, so stop being a hypocrite spirit then. What I just put up and what I showed, because I didn't want nobody to see it, because I don't do that. Look at what you just did, liar. 10 hours ago. Isn't that bullying? So why me asking y'all question out here? I'm always in jail. Because I question y'all on the things that y'all do. And trying to make things sound good. You're a liar. You're a liar. That's why your face look like this.
Don't read.
Very ugly. Look at you. You think the Lord like what Una do? Gotta bring him up in every conversation. We all know what this is. DPG. That's it. Me nah know that. For what? Me now gonna be another statistic for what them build them something here for. For make we do to ourselves. You hear? Oh. Me have to think like one of them. Excuse me. Yo, your life now saying nothing right now. Somebody can't tell you say you're milk. I mean if you just see your face. Not looking cute. You're too altered. And you don't have a logical reason. You're just altered. They should give y'all a list of the do not. Like the things them won't do. Look how you look outside. And this is America, eh? Anytime you can make one big empty barrel look presentable, you know you're not doing nothing. Yeah, man. Anne-Marie, yeah, man. Remember, you wasn't born in the United States, you know. Would you mind? Before you say the things then, because you see when it comes down to the two people that connect their sperm to have this little one here, which I'm grateful, huh? You will never be able to talk to me, and you already know that. Because of the path that you take, but you're trying to play this silly game, but I'm not playing no game with you. Whatever your big mouth said, you deserve everything you get. From the last time when me said something to you, and you come up with the same nonsense. But me another type. And you must always remember this. Me might not care and address you a certain way. Because every man grieve the right way, and it can turn out the wrong way too. And don't give a shit on it. And all you bark off of me. I know me see your mouth wide open when you talk. And I come off of me. But mama, poopa, I know me Kill them. You that try make me work up. But me didn't do that. I stand my ground. I'm not in Jamaica. I don't know Jamaica. I know over here. So I gave it to you. You should know the rules and the law. And I told you what I had to tell you. Self-defense of the tongue. I don't see why people don't look at you and look at some of them and listen to the things then. And check and see if one is real people or not. Take off every shoes and put. Even the one woman with them hate so much. And look upon it very good. But put yourself there. Tell me. How not real people. Who is that robot? Unless you're not going to make yourself in a robot. Every sign of the devil will try to attack me. But you see, I tell them, I'm grateful. And she must say, she have envious spirit because of the family me come out of. And I cannot help it. I know so them girl attack. I know their game. It never change. No matter what they do, he will expose them. Him, me live off of. I'm gonna make no girl because I'm not the only sibling. I'm not the only child. She a run off her mouth. And now look, she just come a foreign to me. Them girl with them background and I know nothing. I'm just a simple person. If me have $1 in my pocket, I'm good. And I never too penny nothing either. At the age that I am and the things that I do know. Anything that I can burn as such. There's something bigger to that. And I want it. And I'm simply being me. And I run off her mouth. And I run off her mouth the way how she do it. Me nah none of that. As God as my witness. Yeah.